So I got a box from Norway, which is full of locks. So let's see what we got. It's been an epic journey getting these from Castle Farms and the Useless website and customer fees and all the other jazz. £35 worth of VAT to pay out. Keep this document for later, I will need it. I also need a piece on the side of the box as well. These commodity codes. There's another box. Oh. Ta-da! Ooh. Fancy looking keys. Nice. Yeah, those are off a Boda. You can see on the boat it says Boda.
Wait, where?
So it's probably this lock here. Oh no, it's got other keys in it. So that's not the keys for that one. Wow. There's a lot of stuff in these boxes. I think I might have underpaid for this lot. Wow.
He's still going.
100,000 key variations. Da, da, da. Which doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a lot for these lot. Nice discussion there. Look at that. Beautiful. Like that. And it's got keys as well, which is a bit odd because that doesn't have a lock.
Look,
Maybe
the two signs are different. Boda with arrows. Oh wait. Yeah, Boda with arrows. Boda without arrows.
And it's got arrows.
Really?
Yeah, it's just a different size.
Oh.
So it's just a different size.
Yeah.
I've scaled up the logo on this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can we move that? So, unknown set of keys. Unknown set of keys. But since this one's open, it's most likely to be out of here. Squeeze the corner out as well. Yeah, no keys in this one. Ooh, look at this. Oh no, there's keys in this one. They're inside this bag. Oh, the seal's been broken. These are all quite old locks. And when these came up, I thought, well, I'll buy them.
It's kind of strange packaging.
It is. It's pretty old. I'd say 70s or 60s. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. That's smooth action. That is lovely. Nice hook bolt. The double bitted key. You can see the symmetry on it. So that bit there and that bit there are the same. It's presumably driven off the centre, as so many of these foreign double bitted locks are. But that's beautifully smooth. I like that. So this ridge here corresponds with this ward here. So the key can only go one way up. So it's a non-reversible key, but it works both sides of the door. So that's very smart. I do like lever locks. They are my favourite. So this is a model, what's it say there? Don't know. 427/114 CR. The CR for you stands for chrome because it's a chrome finish. I think these have been on a shelf or something for a long time. Looking at the right, you hang it in your shop on a little peg handle. So we've got one of these. Two of these. This one doesn't have keys. So somehow it came out of this little pouch here, maybe. Don't just wave the camera around. I'll get seasick. Yeah, let's keep that one. There we go, lovely job.
How'd you get seasick?
How'd
you get seasick?
And stuff wobbles around too much. All the people watching this in VR high resolution will be motion sick.
Oh.
So if you're watching this in high resolution motion VR headset, I have to wonder what kind of a person you are. We could probably be friends in another life. I'm joking. I'm just jealous of your VR headset life. Not really. I find most of the motion sickness inducing headsets to be motion sickness inducing. And then that's the same again. Oh, this one's got an escutcheon.
Does it have keys?
Nope. So it might be these other keys here.
Oh.
Oh, it is, look at that.
Beautiful.
Master locksmithing.
Mm-hmm.
Grabbing random locks and getting them correct.
My dad's a master locksmith.
So that escutcheon, even that one of these. So now we've got this one. It says Combinera cylinder och 8 Tilharlus. And I'm not even going to try and pronounce the Finnish version, which has vowel sounds that I don't think any human can actually say. Look at that. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. This is the sash lock. Pretty beauty, look at that. This one, the keys are still sealed, so this is effectively brand new. It's clearly been in this box for a long time though. That's the spindle. No, that's the spindle. What's that? I don't know what that is. It looks like a Scandinavian cylinder can drive that. That's unusual. There's a privacy bathroom lock. Hey. Okay, it looks like this can also be driven by this hole up here, which is a Scandinavian cylinder pattern. So let's just try driving that. Okay, so that drives that drives that, and then you've got a bolt down here. So in fact this is a two-stage lock. So this has got anti-slip. Oh blimey, it even fires out, look at that. Deadlocking. Automatic deadlocking on that.
Cool.
That's driven by your spindle hole here.
We only have 6 minutes left, Dad.
Don't worry. I'm sure no one will watch the whole of this.
5.
There you go. So that turns, that's your handle there. That's your deadlocking bolt there.
Your friends will.
Which runs on a Scandi. And then you've got an 8-lever deadlock down there as well. What a crazy lock. That's pretty impressive. That is pretty impressive. You wouldn't get through that in a hurry. There we go. Beautiful. Looks like an early Eurodim fan. Styling. A good solid strike. Look at that. That's impressive. Oh, that's neat as well. Look. So that block there fires your snib to fire the latch bolt across, and you can move the position of it by unscrewing it and putting it into a different hole. Because otherwise you have to be accurate to, 2mm with your mortising and stuff. That's good. So let's put that back in there. So this should tell us the model numbers and things.
Blank.
There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Have to go on Google Translate and find out what it all means. High security door lock.
Google Translate fail.
That's impressive. And then we've got this one, which is a straight bolt still on 100,000 differs. And I think I'm going to run out of time, so let's just whiz through the rest of this. See what's in these. I don't even know what these are.
Yeah, you have
the full locks. So.
like 12 minutes and 8 seconds you've done. And out of 15 and 11 seconds.
Okay, so this is, what's in here?
Oh,
There we go. These are
lots
Scandinavian
with keys
cylinders.
in them. Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
These are Scandinavians. Proving. So that there. There's no tailstock on them though, which is odd. Normally they have a little tab sticks out. 3 of those. Chunky beasts.
Okay.
Another little lock.
Uh-oh, Dad, you only have 2 minutes left.
Don't worry. We'll use the whole 2 minutes, and in the last 5 seconds we'll press the go viral button. And then millions of people are watching.
Not sure that's how it works.
But Wreck-It Ralph wouldn't lie to me. Wow, that's a dinky little thing. Look at that. That's awesome. Again, that looks like 8 levers.
But what? But you said, what are they? Where are the ones you just opened? Oh,
Back in the box.
oh.
Back in the back.
You said those were big. You're saying that's dinky, it's bigger than those.
Yes, but those in there are cylinders.
Oh.
Whereas this out here is the entire lock. Yeah,
Oh,
that's dinky.
okay.
That,
I get it.
That takes the key in there. Yeah?
I
And the
don't
bolt
get
goes
it.
across there.
Okay.
Oh, I have no idea.
Oh no, 1 minute left. Not even.
Ah, right. This is a load of key blanks. This would be good for the keyboard. Now we remember what's in these. These are key blanks.
Uh-oh.
More key blanks. Look at those.
Woo.
Double bitted ones.
Cool, I like it.
They're a bit rusty. We have to,
Barely 1 minute.
yeah, that's-
Wow, that's a lot.
Yep, so 3 bags of key blanks, I think.
Oh, you've run out of time.
Run out already.